why was it the right time for you to assemble what you called in a blog post your Bayesian Avengers into this commercial entity to start solving advanced analytical problems with Bayesian statistics?
Yeah, I love the introduction you gave. So it happened really well. Two things came together. One was inside of the PyMC development team. This library, we've been programming on it for a long time, and we have managed to attract a lot of really amazing programmers, statisticians, data scientists, and the barrier of entry in terms of contributing to that library is fairly high, so that attracts the right kind of people who are up for a challenge. And we just all really loved working together, and we had these in-person meetings, and just started becoming friends really, who loved working together on statistical modeling. And for many years prior to that, we all had this dream. We're oh, well, wouldn't it be awesome to A, work together, but B, also to use these tools to solve applied business problems? And that was really an open question at that time because, well, is there even a demand for that? Everyone was just doing machine learning and deep learning. Did people even understand and want that? So we didn't know. But yeah, after I had left Quantopian, I just started getting inbound interest in terms of companies contacting me and being oh yeah, I heard you are just not doing that anymore. We are using PyMC and we could use some help, or we heard about Bayesian modeling, heard it's really cool. We think it could be a good fit for a problem. Can you help us with that? And I was well, sure. Let me first, however, assemble a team, the Bayesian Avengers. One in our team likes to call it the Bevengers. And so yeah, basically it was pretty easy from that point on. It was basically in the Blues Brothers movie, where I just went to everyone and was we're getting the band back together, let's do this. And yeah, everyone was just on board immediately. So it's really just a couple of the PyMC core developers that I've been working with for a long time, and we all just were really excited about doing that for a long time. And then we now had actually people requesting those services, so we were just well, let's try it out. And it turned out for many people in the PyMC core team also to be an opportune time, because a lot of them were frustrated with big corporate jobs, so they were more than happy to join this garage band type of company that we were building and just work on really amazing, challenging Bayesian modeling problems together.